Okay, this video is for how to add your schema markup onto your blog site on HighLevel. So they didn't make it really easy for us to put any kind of code into the blog pages or the blog site. So this is a kind of like a little workaround to add the code. And what we're going to have to do is to add Google Tag Manager to the pages. So we're going to go to Google Tag Manager, and we're going to add a new container. Okay, so now this is our code that we're going to install on our blog site. So what we're going to do is put this in the head, which is going to be above everything of the header and all the menus and everything. And then we're going to put this right below the header. So I'm going to do, this is my blog. I'm going to do my service areas that I made here. Edit blog site. So we're just going to add a container here, and probably the easiest way to do it is to find one of these green. And then we're going to bring this all the way to the top. Add a row. Actually, first we want to take the padding out, 0. Add a row. Okay, so we're going to add this top part. Save. I'm just going to duplicate this to make it easy. And then we're going to bring this down here. Okay. So now I copied and pasted the header code and the body code. So we're going to save. And then publish. But first we're going to do one other thing. So I'm going to take this code and I'm going to save it as a global, because we got to put this on the post pages as well. So we're going to put G tag header I'm going to put it global. All right, now we did that. So we're going to save this. Publish. Now we're going to go over to pages and go to your post pages. And we're going to add that same code. And put it, let's see, yeah. Make sure that's correct. That's the header. And that's the body. So now I save that. Okay, so now we need to go to page. Let's go back to, wait till it publishes. Copy the link, and we're going to put that in here. Test to make sure that it is showing up. We got the green check mark. That means that this tag manager is showing up. All right, so now we need to write these tags. So here's our service area pages. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to take this service area page and we're going to go into GPT. And I already did it here. So pretty much what I did is I asked ChatGPT to, can you make a schema for this URL? So we're going to take the schema, copy the code, and then we're going to see the validator. We're going to go to run the validator at schema, validatorschema.org. Paste that in there, run the tests. Okay, the schema works, right? So we got the code, and now we're going to go in back into the Google Tag Manager. And we're going to go over here to tags. Okay, we're going to add new tag, and let's do service area tag. All right. So we're going to go to custom HTML. Put that code in there. Make sure it has the script tags there. So we have all that, and it's there, right? Okay, so that's your tag. Now we need a trigger, right? So now we put the trigger here. Now we need to do just that page. So we're going to go to the plus, and we're going to put in the service area trigger. And we're going to do page view, right? Some page views. And usually I just put in the page URL, and we'll do equals. So we'll go back to that, get that full URL. Put it in there, save. Save. So we just did our first tag. So now what we need to do is to make sure that it's live. We need to submit it. We're going to submit it, publish. You can write in if you want to put in all the stuff that is to publish, but I'm just going to skip it right now. All right. So now we're going to validate it, make sure it's validated. Refresh the page, make sure that it's loaded. It's actually showing up, so I got to do a little bit of work here. But okay, so now we're going to go to our schema validator. Run new test, fetch URL, put it in, and there you go. There is your schema. And if you wanted to do like FAQs, you can do the same thing with the ChatGPT, and then just put that with the schema in the HTML Google tag. So hopefully that helps somebody. And if there's anything else that I'm missing, let me know in the comments, and I will update it. Thanks.